everybody to another one of our One Track HIIT workouts. Now this particular workout, we're going to be focusing on the centre core, but also our obliques, okay, that are down the side here. So we're going to be doing it to the track low, and we're going to be doing two main combination of movements, okay? So, whilst the majority of the song is playing, what we're going to do is a Russian twist. So there are a number of levels available to a Russian twist so that you can get the workout that you need to achieve improvement, okay? So level one of a Russian twist is just leaning back slightly, taking your arms and just twisting through the shoulders, pulling the elbows behind the body, okay? Level two to this, you're going to take the arm and really pull it back, and your body's going to be slightly further back, okay? Level three to this is level two, but with the feet up, okay? So, that's working across your obliques. When you hear the words low, 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 what you're going to do is come back to the centre. You're going to slowly, slowly take yourself down to just before your shoulders hit the floor, and you're going to pull yourself back up again, okay? So at no point should your back completely hit the floor, unless of course you do need to take a quick rest. If you need to take a quick rest, either lay yourself flat and stretch long, or what my advice is to actually sit yourself up and stretch out that lower spine, okay? So, quick recap then of the options. Level one, twist through the elbows. Level two, come back even further. Power those arms behind the body. Level three, feet are up, and you're going to do the same, okay? When you hear the words low, you're going to bring yourself back to the point of just before your shoulders hit the floor, and then pull yourself up. If you get stuck at all and you need a bit of help coming up, grab your legs, grab your trousers, whatever you've got on, give yourself a quick pull and a tug, and then release. Now, when you're doing the Russian twist, there's two tempo options, okay? Please work to how you feel comfortable. Yeah, sometimes I just get in the zone of the music, but I'm not a beginner. So pick what's best for you and either pick the half beat or the double beat, okay? So your half beat would be here, centre, yeah? And listen out for that half beat in the track. The double beat, you're coming and you're twisting. So you kind of miss out that centre stop, all right? Like I say, work to where you feel comfortable, and then you can progress on from there. So let's get this music on, and let's get going. Okay, let's get ourselves ready, shall we? In position, pick your level option. Make sure you're nice and tall in the back. Hold your position. Relax that neck. Let's go! Remember your level options. We're going low. also be feeling it deep here in the groin, which is where your hip flexors are. Okay, that is normal because you're sitting in that seated position. But what that's also doing is that's strengthening and working those hip flexors. So, well done. Don't forget to go off and have a stretch. Lots of videos in the library. And I'll catch you for the next one.